How to enable voice chat in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Roblox on a device. Before starting the video, make sure to update Roblox to the latest version. Now after updating, tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Now tap on account info. Now under personal, simply tap on verify my age. Now tap on start session. Now wait for some time. Now tap on begin verifying. Now tap on select. Now select the type of ID you want to provide. Now tap on the camera icon and provide your ID. Now once you complete all the process and verify your age, simply go back and tap on privacy and content maturity. Now go to communication. Now here you can find an option for voice chat. Simply enable that toggle and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.